But you're always trying to reach the girls from it's not a romance. And we had one track that was, and she was so oh my
Yeah, in terms of who we would have loved to see be our competitors who our competitors are now. And our competitors now are bigger teams. So look at the queue.
And there's so many risks they do, there's so
I'm currently working on two different teams. Yeah, I think it's two different. So it's challenging. It's interesting. On industry.
and I can talk fast,
Yeah.
so I always know that. That's how we've gone down the country. I can keep the phone charged. I do like I do everything. I do reply to emails. I do basic things.
Yeah, no, I think it's important. It's really important. Now we're looking for that
The birds interfere with it as well. There's some issues. This is issues, especially kind of birds that interfere with some of the infrastructure.
there was a team recently with woodpeckers eating that was down the country somewhere.
I come across that on the radio.
He was eating the nuts from the bird feeder. Really? I was delighted with it. Oh, really?
Oh wow. I wouldn't go into Misty's the garden section off so and the funny I found this there's so many bunnies at one stage in the garden whatever I think it was misleading it's really big.
Would it be as big as the front of the bus here?
Show you pictures of it. It's bigger. It was a hell of a job.
Have you got great fishing?
No, so everyone thinks like
Yeah. So it's not just telling me that a lot of times they all the fish because the birds carry the fish eggs and stuff and they land over time.
So I was tempted to go out to Crowley or something where you see them.
No, they had a site that was on the street and then it fell through and it came back to me to the street line and then for some reason the last time we never went back and I went to see Castle down the Clyde Fair and they wanted a street down there so another thing we stopped we attracted a lot of bats when the rains had